Welcome to a rainy day vlog.
Baby, I love
immensely.
Kai utne bittiki so ramri. Who's this girl? Did you brush?
Yes, true. I don't need to brush.
Wow, dude, no rushing.
Please go, please. Let me drink my coffee in peace.
Look at these eggs, this melted butter. Absolutely gorgeous.
So delicious, baby.
नहीं अभी पका नहीं है.
So how is dating life, you guys?
Must.
We're gonna have a new human in our lives, and I'm so excited for it. He's not a father. We are father. I am so good
I am.
at vlogging. So good.
I'm hungry, Mazu.
आज चाहिँ हल्का vlogging अलिकति जेप्पै देखाएको छ.
Yeah, say hi to Dee. Say hi to Dee.
How are you?
You look so nice, Mama.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Hi, Priyanka.
म त ग्रान्डमा हुन लागेको अनि त्यसको लागि तिमीहरूलाई थ्याङ्कफुल छु म. हाम्रो फ्यामिलीमा नयाँ स्टोरी हुने मान्छे आउन लाग्छ के. मेरो भुन्टुको भुन्टु निक्लिन लागेको छ. I see your belly becoming so big and I hear the little one move and I feel the little one move. It's like, oh my god.
I am excited, obviously. About this is my first time, just like you guys, and I can't wait to meet Priyanka and be your favorite uncle.
I just want the baby to be like a little funny, fun-loving kid, you know.
I wish the baby is as free-spirited as you are.
आयुषको यति सारो बच्चाको साइड छ and I hope that you will always have that, and that is a trait that I hope your daughter has as well. Because you're my daughter-in-law, I know that this family will always be together because of the sense of family that she has.